And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this Magic Trackpad case and wrist rest set. So just the name there, nothing really there, same there, and just the color and the gross weight, etc. So inside of this box is a little instruction set, which probably won't really need that, but they give you one. And then we get the case. So this is for the trackpad to sit in. So you put your trackpad in here, and then this, well, that's it for the box, is the actual little wrist rest. So with your trackpad inside of the case, nicely protected, you're able to rest your hand here and use your trackpad. I do have a Apple Magic Trackpad. Let me show you what it looks like on my trackpad right here. And so here we are with our Magic Trackpad case and wrist rest. The Magic Trackpad is able to easily slide into this very soft silicone case, and there's even room for your lightning port as well as your power switch on the side. So you can still turn it on and off, and you can still plug in your charger. And so with your trackpad in its case, you then have your wrist pad here, and you're able to easily use your trackpad with this case on it. At the end of the day, a genuinely really nice and very soft material here for this case and wrist rest set. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me for my trackpad to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.